Okay, good morning. Good morning, first year students. Yesterday, the compound angles problems. Some problems are completed in the exercise 3.3. Next one, some more problems. Okay. Next, what is the last problem? 11th one, 12th problem. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Sin 2x into sin 10x. We have to prove that. What is the formula? Sin square sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to formula. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to formula sin square a minus sin square b over cos square b minus sin square a. Cos square b minus cos square a. These are formulas. Sin a plus b into sin a, we already proved. Sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b over cos square b minus cos square a. This is the formula. So, the solution formula, draw the bracket. So, what is the LHS? LHS is equal to sin square 6x sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to what is A? This is A, this is B. What is the formula? Sin A plus B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B, sin A plus B into sin A minus B. 6x plus 4x 10x into 6x minus 4x equal to, that is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This is the problem. Okay. So next, 13th problem. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So solution by the above formula, LHS is equal to cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. This is B, this is A, because answer is only sines. Only sines. What is the answer? Sin square A minus sin square B, or cos square B minus cos square A. What is the formula? Cos square B, both are cos. Here both are sines means sin square A minus sin square B. Both are cos means cos square B minus sin square A. That is equal to sin A plus B, sin A plus B. A is equal to what? 6x. 6x plus 2x into sin A minus B, 6x minus 2x. 6x plus 2x is equal to 8x into 6x minus 2x is equal to 4x. So, to prove that sin 8x into sin 8x into sin 4x. So, this is RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Enough. This is one of the model. Okay, this is a small confusion. The formula is a confusion, totally confusion. So sin a plus b into sin a minus b formula in terms of sines means a minus b, in terms of cos means b minus a. This one. Next. Next one. Prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x. Cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to equal to minus sin 2x by is equal to minus sin 2x by cos 10x. First before the problem, let us discuss some formulas. What is the formula? Cos x minus cos y. What is the formula? Cos x minus cos y is equal to n formula minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into again sin x minus y by 2. This is the formula. Again sin x minus sin y is equal to sin y is equal to, what is the formula? 2 cos, sin in between minus means first cos next sin, cos in between minus means both are sines. 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, next cos x plus cos y is equal to cos in between plus means both are cos's. 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 sin x plus sin y. Sin x plus sin y is equal to sin in between plus. First 2 sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. These are formulas, 4 formulas. Today class is maximum depending on the 4 formulas. Okay. Solution. First, what is the numerator? LHS. So LHS is taken. So first cos x minus cos y. Cos x minus cos y. Here x is equal to what? 9x. Y is equal to 5x. Apply the formula. Minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. 9x plus 4x by 2 into sin 9x minus 4x by 2. 9x is 5x. 9x plus 5x, 9x minus 5x by 2. This is the numerator. Denominator, sin x minus sin y. X means not only xy, different any sin is xy means. Here x is what? 17x. Y means what? 3x. So sin x minus sin y formula 2 cos 2, first of all cos 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So 2 cancel, minus 9x plus 5x is equal to 14x. 14x by 2 is equal to 7x. The 2 cancel, sin 9 plus 5, 14x by 2, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4x by 2 by cos 17 plus 3, 20x by 2 into 17 minus 3x. 17 minus 3x is equal to 4x by 2. 17 minus 14x. Okay. So that is equal to minus sin 14 by 2. So sin 14x by 2, sin 14x by 2 both are cancelled. So sin 4x by 2 ones 2 sin 2x 2 ones 2 2s by 2 ones 2 tens cos 10x. This is RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. The problem. Okay. Okay, next one. Formulas not rough. Don't rough formulas. Sin 5x plus sin 3x. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x. Cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. This is the problem. Solution. LHS solution. LHS is equal to, nodri, what is the formula? Sin x plus sin, both are sines or both are cos. Not one sin, one cos is not apply the formula. Okay, there is no formula. Both are sines, both are cos. In plus or minus any one. So sin x plus sin y. What is the formula? Sin x plus sin y is equal to, what is the formula? 2 sin x plus y, 5x plus 3x by 2. Again cos 5x minus 3x by 2 by cos x plus cos y formula 2 cos x plus y by 2, 2 cos x plus y by 2, 5x plus 3x by 2, again cos 5x minus 3x by 2. So cos 5x minus 3x by 2, cos 5x minus 3x by 2 both are cancel, 2 cancel, 5 plus 3x 8x, sin 8x by 2 by cos 8x by 2. 8x by 2 is equal to what? Sin 4x, 2 ones 2 4s, sin 4x by cos 4x. Sin 4x by cos 4x is equal to, sin by cos is equal to tan 4x. That is equal to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, next. Eighteenth one, prove that sin x minus sin y by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan x minus y by 2. Direct formulas. So LHS, what is the sin x minus sin y formula? Direct formula, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Cos x plus cos y formula, direct formula, 2 cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. 2 cancel, cos of x plus y by 2 both are cancel. So sin x minus y by 2, cos x minus y by 2, both angles are same, but sin theta by cos theta is equal to what? Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Theta means what? X minus y by 2. In formula, sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A is equal to what? Tan A. This is the formula. The 19th problem is homework. Okay, next. Sin x minus sin 3x sin x minus sin 3x by sin square x minus cos square x, sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. Solution LHL. LHL in numerator common with minus. Okay. Sin 3x minus sin x, because sin x minus sin y formula sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. X minus y is equal to what? X minus 3x. X minus 3x is equal to minus 2x, is negative. So remove the negative, that's why minus. So denominator also common with minus, because cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x formula is there. Sin square x minus cos square x is equal to not a formula. Cos square x minus sin square x is a formula. That's why common minus. E minus minus cancel. So sin x minus sin y formula 2 cos x plus y by 2 3x plus x by 2 into sine 3x minus x by 2 by cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x. So 2 into 3x plus 4x cos 3x plus x 4x by 2 into sin 3x minus x 2x by 2 by cos 2x by cos 2x. So 2 ones 2 2s, that is equal to 2 cos 2x into 2 to cancel sin x by cos 2x, 2x cancel. So answer is 2 sin x. This is the RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. This is once again first common minus, because the first one is biggest value, the next one is smallest value, means apply the formula easy. There is no negatives, don't come negatives. So this is also sin square x minus cos square x is not a formula. Cos square x minus sin square x is equal to, this is the formula, cos square x minus sin square x is equal to cos 2x, not sin square x minus cos square x. Cos square x minus sin square is equal to cos 2, that's why common minus. Minus minus cancel, apply sin x minus sin y formula, direct cos 2x formula, this one. Okay, right. Okay. Next one example is homework. Which one? Cos 7x plus cos 5x, prove that cos 7x plus cos 5x by cos 7x plus cos 5x by sin 7x minus sin 5x, sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x, is equal to cot x. This is the one of the homework. Once again, cos 7x plus cos 5x by sin 7x minus sin 5x is equal to cot x. This is the homework. And prove that cos 4x, cos 3x, cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. This is the problem. Okay, first only two terms, means any cos or sin, two terms in between minus or plus, means apply the direct formula. Here given three terms means first of all you select any two terms, easy terms, the first and highest and least and highest. Okay, least and highest, 2x, 3x, 4x. In the 2, 3, 4, which one is least? 2 is least, highest is 4. we have to select least highest. Okay, there is no middle. So first of all, that is equal to what is the LHS first one? Cos 2x plus cos 4x taken one bracket and remaining cos 3x as it is. These also sin 2x plus sin 4x plus sin 3x. We have to select for least and highest. First we have to select least and highest. Middle one is separate. Okay, the first these two terms apply the formula. The what is the cos x plus cos y? Cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2. And cos in between plus means both are cos's. 2x plus 4x by 2 into cos 2x minus. So first 4th over, next 2th over. Okay, no problem. 4x minus 2x by 2 plus cos 3x as it is by, once again, sin x plus sin y formula. Sin x plus sin y formula, sin in between plus means first sin, next cos. 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos 4x minus 2x by 2 plus sin 3x. So that is equal to 2 into 2x plus 4x, 6x by 2 is equal to 3x. 2 cos 3x, 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x, 2x by 2 is equal to x plus cos 3x by 2, 6x by 2 3x, 2 sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. So here 2 cos 3x common, 2 cos 3x, or not only cos 3x, cos 3x common in the numerator, cos 3x common, 2 cos x plus 1 common, common. In the numerator have two terms. These 2 cos 3x cos x is the first term and cos 3x is the second term. In the first and second term, the common function is cos 3x. So common. Cos 3x is common means deleted. Remove the cos 3x. The other way, remainings are 2 cos x plus already removed in cos x plus 1 by, here also common sin 3x, common sin 3x. In sin 3x, 2 cos x plus 1. 2 cos x plus 1, 2 cos plus 1, both are same in the numerator and denominator. So that is equal to cos 3x by sin 3x. Cos x by sin x is equal to what? Cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. Cos 3x by sin 3x is equal to cot 3x. This is RHS. This one. Okay. ఏందేమో నంద ఊరుకున్నా Okay, tomorrow continue the next problems. So formulas, compound angle formulas, very important, we have to perfect mustly. So thank you.